Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called 7 Smart Features to Upgrade Your Bathroom Remodel. All right, folks, if you're thinking of giving your bathroom a makeover that'll leave it shinier than a diamond in a goat's mouth, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of smart bathroom features that'll make your mornings feel like a spa retreat, minus the membership fees. First on our list, we've got smart showers. Think touchpad controls that allow you to set the perfect temperature before you even step foot into the spray. These beauties come with options like customizable presets and mood-enhancing lighting, turning your shower into a daily escape room where relaxation is the key you're searching for. Next, consider a voice-activated mirror. It's like having your own James Bond-style gadget, lighting up with information like traffic, weather, or morning news, all while you turn your bedhead into office-ready perfection. Oh, let's not forget about heated floors, a blessing on those cold winter mornings. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Nothing screams luxury quite like feeling warmth underfoot while brushing your teeth, making you feel like a hobbit on a heated journey to Mordor, but delightful. Then embrace the possibilities of a high-tech toilet. Features like a built-in bidet, automatic lid opener, and even nightlights add convenience and a sprinkle of the future to your most private moments. They're the unsung leaders of the 21st century bathroom revolution. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. For features like water-saving faucets and shower heads, pair them with eco-friendly technology. They streamline your water usage, preserving our planet's resources and helping you save on utility bills. Speaking of savings, LED lighting rounds out our smart upgrades. They're bright, energy efficient, and come in all manner of colors and settings to liven up your bathroom's ambiance. Whether using them as task lights or for setting the mood, they're the ceiling brightener you never knew you needed. Lastly, consider a towel warmer. It's that bit of indulgence that takes your post-shower experience from nice to nirvana. Imagine wrapping yourself in a toasty towel every time. I swear, it's like a hug from the universe. These 7 smart features aren't just about aesthetics or trends. They transform your bathroom into a haven where function meets style, improving your daily routine and boosting your home's value along the way. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.